In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet under $500 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UGEE 12 Plus Digital Pen Tablet. The UGEE 11.9 Drawing Monitor UE 12 Plus features an 11.9-inch FHD full laminated, anti-glare screen, providing a zero parallax drawing experience with vibrant colors and precise cursor positioning. It includes a scroll wheel and 8 shortcut keys for efficient drawing, and offers vivid painting visuals with 147% sRGB color gamut and 1000:1 high contrast ratio. The device is widely compatible with Mac, Windows, and Linux, and supports various creative software. With a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080, 8192 pressure levels, and a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI, this pen tablet monitor is designed to meet the needs of video editing, graphic design, and other creative industries. Number 2. XPPen Android Tablet. The GAOMON PD2200 is a 21.5-inch graphics drawing tablet with a screen designed for drawing, painting, and writing purposes. It features 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a passive pen with a high report rate, providing superior control and fluidity without the need for pen charging. The full laminated IPS HD screen incorporates advanced technology to minimize parallax and enhance precision. Other features include an anti-glare protective film, 178 degrees view angle, plus or minus 60 degrees pen tilt function, and 8 shortcut touch keys customizable for various functions. The tablet boasts a 92% NTSC color gamut on its 1920 by 1080 Full HD IPS screen, offering a broad and rich color range. The product comes with accessories such as a pen holder, adjustable stand, power adapter, USB and HDMI cables, and more. It is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems and supports popular drawing software. GAOMON Technology Corporation, the manufacturer, is a leading developer of animation and digitizer products with a strong presence in the Chinese and international markets. Number 3. GAOMON PD1161 Tablet. The XPPen Magic Drawing Pad, specifically the X3 Pro model, offers a range of features designed to enhance the drawing and creative experience. It operates as a standalone workstation with its built-in Android system, eliminating the need for a Mac or PC connection. The X3 Pro Pencil, powered by a dedicated chip and EMR technology, boasts 16K pressure levels for precise and smooth lines without the need for charging or pairing. With a 12.2-inch screen that is slim and lightweight, this drawing pad is highly portable. The 3:2 ratio X-Paper display provides a larger canvas for creativity, offering true-to-life colors with a wide color gamut and a papery feel for a natural drawing experience. Additionally, the pad features an array of functionalities, including built-in cameras, a long-lasting battery, expandable storage, and compatibility with popular drawing apps from the Google Play Store. The specifications include a chip-powered and EMR technology, 16,384 pressure levels, a 12.2-inch display with a resolution of 2160 by 1440, an octa-core CPU, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of ROM, and Android 12 OS, among other details. Number 4. XPPen Artist Pro 16 Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 11.6-inch IPS HD graphics drawing digital tablet monitor is a versatile tool for digital creation. With 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, the included passive pen allows for accurate and natural lines without the need for batteries. The tablet features 8 customizable shortcut keys and 5 menu keys for enhanced workflow efficiency. Weighing only 866 g, it is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for on-the-go creativity. The IPS Full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 provides a high-quality display for your artwork. Compatible with Windows 7 or macOS 10.12 and above, this tablet is suitable for various applications like drawing, photography, animation, and more. Additionally, it allows for direct drawing, signing, and annotating on documents, offering a seamless workflow. With mini HDMI and Type-C ports, connectivity with other devices is fast and easy. The package includes the pen display, passive pen, power adapter, pen holder, replacement nibs, integrated cable, and a quick start guide. GAOMON Technology Corporation, the brand behind this product, is dedicated to developing cutting-edge technology for digital art and input devices. Number 5. GAOMON PD2200 Tablet. The Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is a top-notch drawing display tablet equipped with an X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus featuring an impressive 16K pressure levels and a 16-inch expansive display. It boasts the world's first 16K pressure levels, offering 100% higher pressure levels and 20% higher accuracy than its predecessor. The device features a high-resolution 2560 by 1600 x Nature display with 99% sRGB color gamut for stunning color accuracy and detail. Additionally, it is designed for user comfort and creative precision with features such as low blue light emission, fully laminated screen to eliminate parallax errors, and an ergonomic design with a replaceable silica gel grip and X-Edge wrist rest. The tablet supports popular digital art software and is highly compatible with various operating systems. With additional accessories like a wireless shortcut remote and flexible dual ports, this tablet offers a versatile and efficient platform for digital creativity.